Hey y'all, today I'm going to be making a pretty quick arrangement utilizing ProCut sunflowers and some explosion grass and some basil. It's going to be a beautiful, simple arrangement with kind of a rustic country vibe. As always, make sure you hit that subscribe button and that notification bell so you know when my latest videos are up. And make sure you drop me a comment below. What is your favorite flower to design with? I'm a big fan of sunflowers for my home, but if I'm doing like an event, because as y'all know I am an event florist, I love to utilize roses. Okay, so I've got a couple of varieties of ProCut sunflowers. This first one is called ProCut White Light. So it's the light center with the light petals. This next one is called Gold Light, and it is the absolutely most perfect, beautiful little sunflower. It's very like flat, which I think is really pretty. And it just opens so beautifully. Look at all these. They're just so happy and beautiful and gorgeous. I'm in love. I'm going to go ahead and plant another round of these because they're so gorgeous. And then I've got some of the explosion grass. You guys know that I've absolutely fallen in love with it. So fun to design with. And then I have some purple Ruffles basil in here. So I cut everything last night. Put it in a bucket of water and let it sit overnight to make sure everything's in good shape. And then the container I'm going to be working with is another vintage pitcher. This one I found at an antique mall. It has yellow roses on there and it says La Pointe on the bottom. And I ended up looking this up and it is a pottery in California. And I was really happy with the price I got the vase for, which was much less than its value. So very, very exciting. So I think I'm just going to build directly into the vase today. And just a soft, easy, simple arrangement with rustic vibe. I think it'll be fun. Let's get started.